I love the car community, man. It honestly comes in clutch every single time. When I first started my channel with the 3-valve 2008 Mustang GT, aka Sally, a lot of you guys love to support the build, and just reaching out in the car community is so much helpful. The first ever trade that I did was an H-pipe. I was looking for an X-pipe, and one of you guys was looking for an H-pipe. We did the swap, and I was able to get that X-pipe. After that, I had my Flowmaster American Thunder axle backs, and I really wanted some Borla S-type stingers. One of my subscribers wanted to witness some Flowmasters, and he had some Borlas, so we swapped them out, and that was pretty fun. Then I got tired of the Borla S-type stingers, so I wanted something louder, so I was searching for some Roush Extreme axle backs, and somebody wanted something quieter, so they wanted the Borla S-type stingers, and we did that trade. Oh, there it is. I could get used to this, that's for sure. After that, I had the MMD ducktail spoiler, and I really wanted to go a big wing, and somebody had a big wing and wanted to go ducktail spoiler, so we did that trade. That was pretty fun. After that, I had the Raxium 2015 gen headlights on, and I wanted to go back to the halos, and somebody had the halos and really wanted to try out the new 2015 headlights, and we made the swap. That was pretty fun too. I legit got tired of these DRL projector headlights. Now, one of your guys' favorite things is to go ahead and modify Sally, and I love it so much. Then I got the Shelby GT500. The exhaust was just way too quiet. It had the long tubes, it had the X-pipe, but it had the Corsa Sport axle backs, which is very, very quiet. And I really want to go loud. And somebody else wanted to go quiet because they were going loud, so we did the swap for the Ford Performance or Ford Racing Sport axle backs, and that was pretty fun too. There you go. Oh yeah. Dude, she sounds even more mean. Yeah. I give a little rev. Now, as you guys may have saw on my Instagram or even YouTube post, I got the 3.6 liter Kenne supercharger. It is huge. It is massive. Honestly, does not fit the stock hood. So I was initially trying to sell the stock hood. However, somebody hit me up and said, hey, I have a hood that will fit that massive 3.6 liter Kenne supercharger into it. And I was just like, hey, let's do the trade. So that is exactly where we are today. And if you look right here, you guys may already know what we have equipped just by the thumbnail. But yeah, we got the massive 4-inch Cervini's cowl hood, and I want to go ahead and just show you how badass this looks. We finally got a hood because after all of these long months of building the engine, we finally got a hood that fits, because as you saw previously, I was rocking no hood because honestly I wasn't going to rock the stock hood. It was just going to damage the supercharger. So we got the Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood, and yes, I did say that I did not want to get the cowl hood just because it's overplayed here with the 5.0s and stuff like that, and I wanted to be different. However, the Super Snake hood is discontinued, but I have another hood on the way. This one is just for temporary for now. I may or may not keep this. I'm not entirely sure just quite yet. This hood is for sale, $600 or best offer. It's about $830, 800 plus. Brand new, so I'm selling it for $600, but I finally got the hood. I may or may keep this. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comments and everything you think. But dude, this looks so sick and so aggressive. I am absolutely obsessed with it. And look at the fitment here. The lines are really, really good. You know, I'm all about the lines, and it just goes perfect across every single detail. It is a little bit low on the front end because the latch is adjusted for the stock hood, This one's a little bit down, but if you go ahead and lift it, it matches up. So I need to fix this latch under here to adjust the front height, as well as I need to get some hood pins because this baby is going to be a very, very fast girl. And so I'm gonna give you guys all the angles here. Honestly, this was the most random trade. He literally hit me up like at 8 p.m. at night. He was down in IB here in San Diego, and he's like, let's do the trade. He drove over, we installed this, and he took my stock hood. So it was a lot quicker than I expected. It was pitch dark, so that wouldn't have made for a good video. However, I'm so glad that I finally have a hood. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and see exactly what it looks like underneath. And here it is. The beautiful Cervini has that huge hood. And yes, guys, I know I will give you guys an update on the engine. It has been pretty hectic because while I was gone, I was making moves for the wrap as well as the hood. And if you guys have not seen already, we actually installed a full carbon fiber interior. Go ahead and check out that video if you have not already. But I wanted to produce the smaller videos so that when I show you guys the wrap or when I show you guys the engine, you guys wouldn't be surprised like, what the heck, there's a hood, when'd you get that? So I'm gonna give you an update as well as a wrap video is coming, but I just wanted to enjoy this beautiful hood because honestly, it makes it so much aggressive. It goes very, very well with the wide body, and I'm very happy of how it turns out. I can't wait to show you guys the actual hood that I have coming on the way. Again, I may rock this for a little bit. I do want to go ahead and show you exactly everything that I have here, but tell me down below what you guys think about this hood. It is so damn tall. That is huge, and I'm a really big fan of this hood now. Like, it's growing on me. Like, every time I look at it, I just fall more and more in love. It goes well with the Super Snake wheels and everything. The drivability though is a little bit crazy, I'm not going to lie. Driving here, you can barely see over. Like, the previous owner said that you really have to know your car because this blocks a huge amount off of you. So the one thing I am scared of is like pulling into a driveway and not knowing where the front is, because this is like eye level to me and it's really, really tall. That's exactly what I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Honestly, it just happened out of nowhere. Car community comes through like that. I finally have a hood for my Shelby GT500, and honestly, the project car is coming along so good. Exterior is almost done. The wrap again is coming. Stay tuned for that if I've not already posted it, but the Super Snake wheels and the cowl hood just go so beautiful. Comment down below what you guys think, exactly what hood you guys think. I am still looking out for a Super Snake hood. If you guys have a Super Snake hood, please hit me up. I'm very interested in getting a Super Snake hood, so let me go ahead and know down below. But we got the cowl hood to fit the massive Kenne supercharger in it, so I just love to see this thing finally covered up. It's been way too long. That's really all I have for you. So it's kind of a short video. I didn't really have much to say. I just wanted to give you guys an update because this hood will be on in the next couple of videos, as well as I may keep it for a while, who knows. But Miley's coming good. She's coming along very well. And what mods would you do? Comment down below if you had Miley, what your suggestions are. But looks like I am about to sign off soon, ladies and gents. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned with me and my brand new Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood. See you guys on the next one. Deuces.